Welcome back, and welcome to one of my favorite lectures in this entire course. In this lecture, I'll be teaching you about a secret mistake people make when scheduling videos. This is incredibly important to know as it can really hurt your channel. I unfortunately had to learn this firsthand, but without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, so let me tell you a quick story on how I learned about this devastating mistake I made. So, I actually coach beach volleyball in my free time for an extremely high caliber youth club because I really enjoy it. However, this means that I have to travel to California for the entire month of July. Now, that's a bit of an issue when I've got to post daily videos on my main channel and numerous other videos on my satellite channels. I can't necessarily do that in California while I'm coaching all day, every day. So, what do? Well, I get very little sleep in the month of June, and I schedule videos for a full month. It's actually ridiculously hard to do. I make roughly 100 videos in the month of June every year. Rip me, right? So anyway, I scheduled a ton of videos. And my channel was killing it at this time, hitting peaks of like 1,500 subscribers a day. Then I unfortunately made a grave mistake. I took a sponsorship deal last minute the day before I left for California. Essentially, the deal was simple. I just had to make a video promoting a specific site and upload it at the end of June for X amount of dollars. I figured, what's the big deal? I finished scheduling all my videos, I'll just squeeze this one in as a double upload somewhere, and I did just that, making the biggest mistake in my entire YouTube career. So you're probably sitting there going, what the hell is the mistake? Everything seems just fine. You got some extra cash for a sponsored video and you finished all your videos before you had to leave. What's the problem? Well, I managed to find a bug in the YouTube algorithm that YouTube has no interest in fixing at the moment. I went from averaging about 1,000 subscribers a day straight down to 200 subscribers a day. It killed my entire momentum on YouTube. And well, YouTube is all about momentum. The faster you grow, the more YouTube promotes your content. And I managed to goof it up big time. That big drop in the graph is the day my sponsored video went live. Not to mention that I checked the real-time statistics when it went live, and I immediately saw the difference in traffic. I even compared statistics to other channels that are very similar to mine. None of them had any drop in subscribers that day, and really any of the days afterwards. Needless to say, I was pretty heartbroken at the time. It's mentally challenging from a creator's perspective to go from absolutely killing it on the platform to kind of back where you started. But that's the joy of YouTube and always finding that way to bounce back and kill it once again. So the moral of the story, I repeat, do not schedule videos to go public before a previously scheduled video or set of videos is supposed to go public. If you need to upload and publish a video before another previously scheduled video goes public, then I highly recommend you delete the videos in the future before you upload. So to explain this better, let's say it's Sunday and you have videos already scheduled on YouTube in your video manager to go public on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But you don't have videos scheduled for Monday or Saturday. Now let's say you want to post a video on Monday this week. Well, to do that without absolutely killing your channel's momentum like I did, you have to delete your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday videos. All of them. Literally delete them. Not change the dates or try to work your way around it, just delete them to be safe. Then upload your Monday video and schedule that bad boy. And then do the tedious task of re-uploading and scheduling the videos you have for Tuesday through Friday. Super annoying, right? But totally worth it in the long run. Now, I always had a feeling that this was an issue on YouTube, but at the time in the summer months, I really just didn't have the time to delete everything I scheduled to reschedule them. So I kind of just bit the bullet and learned the really hard way. However, on the flip side, say you're in the original situation on Sunday like we mentioned earlier, and you just want to skip out on Monday's upload, but you want to schedule Saturday's video. That's totally fine. As long as you upload and schedule it in chronological order, you shouldn't have any issues. This is a ridiculously annoying issue on YouTube. Simply put, upload and schedule your videos in chronological order to avoid any type of issues on YouTube. But hey, now you know, so hopefully you don't get put in the same situation that I was put in. Again, that's the whole purpose of this course. I've been on YouTube for so many years now and I've learned all the tricks of the trade. So continue on this learning journey with me as you build up more and more knowledge to be successful on YouTube. I'll see you in the next lecture.